that's Mckenzie doing her thing, man. She got the plate compactor. She wanted to see how it goes and how it works, and she's getting the first-hand experience. And that's what it's about, man. On the job training here. She likes it. She's getting the knowledge with reading the plans, and that's what she's studying in school. This is a great project for her to be on, so I'm excited for her. I'm proud of her, man, and just like, yay, you know, seeing your own doing it, especially my daughter, not putting any restrictions on her. This is what she wants to do. Hey, let's go do it. Got a lot of powerful women out there that's doing this business, construction, so why not her? She got the aptitude for it. She got the patience for it. So, and she got a great team surrounding her. So when the baton is passed, it's passed. It's gonna be in good hands, as long as that's what she wants to do. So let her keep doing with her thing, and we out here doing ours, getting everything dug out. It's the second day of digging out, so we should probably be done today, I'm hoping. But guys, if you like the videos that I'm showing you, hey, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Darmac Builders, bringing you good information on how to build, finance, insurance, real estate, you name it. You're getting on, you know, like on the job training here. And right now, you guys been following this video, you see now we digging out the foundation. Here, a little incident over here. It was one of the temporary water here. One of the pipes, the machine hit, but it's no big deal. We'll get it all. Once we get everything dug out, we'll get our temporary water back on. So we're good. It's not connected to the city. Just a pipe that we had in the ground here. So we're gonna be okay. All right. So the guys are digging out we didn't have a lot to dig it out because when we came in and we put the fill in, we kind of kept it to an elevation where we can dig and put our form boards in, and all we have to do is kind of like backfill. Good? So she's over here doing her thing. So with that being said, guys, hey, again, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like, notification, and hey, this is girl power over here to what she's doing, and she's getting it done. Hi, mommy. You can't even hear me.